The use and care of bath and shower mats. Clean bottom of bathtub surface before installing bath mat. Rinse bath mat in lightly wet bottom of bathtub. Place bath mat into position with suction cups facing down. Press down firmly onto each suction cup until it grips the tub surface. With your hands, push and pull bath mat to check secureness of the suction cups. If bath mat slides when pushing and pulling, lift bath mat and remove excess moisture before testing again. Press down firmly onto each suction cup once more until the bath mat grips the tub surface. Before stepping back onto the mat, push and pull edges to ensure the suction cups have secured to the base of the bathtub. Periodically clean the bathtub surface and bath mat on both sides using ordinary bathroom cleaners. After each use, detach the bath mat from the tub surface, rinse both sides thoroughly, and hang or set aside to dry. Bath mat is also machine washable. It's very important to clean tub and mat regularly to aid against buildup of slippery residues. Check the suction secureness of bath mat before each use. Do not use on uneven or textured surfaces.